Last time we literally worked on creating an item that has multiple variants. So we're able to create the Kufandi men's t-shirt with various sizes and colors. Today I want us to work on creating a service. So let's say you literally is involved in creating, maybe you're a cleaner, right? And you want to, or you own a cleaning business, and you want to serve up customers, create bills for customers using ERPNext. So to do that, you have to navigate to the item list page, which I explained to you that when you come to the home page, you click on the stock menu item, and then you select item, and then you click add item. So in this case, what will change is that the item group will be services here, right? Services, and then you wouldn't have to maintain stock for this, right? And then let's say the name of the item is cleaning services. So let's edit it in full form. So here we will copy the name here, item code, and the item name will be the same. And then here we will uncheck grant commission, as we always do. So here you can actually enter a selling rate. Maybe you're charging 100 cedis for this service. And remember, these kinds of services actually change per whoever you want to serve. So this figure won't be constant. Depending on who you are serving, you can actually decide to change this figure, or you can actually maintain it at 0. So let's save it now. So because it's a service, though the service will come with some form of cost, because it will cost you to actually provide the services, the system assumes that you didn't actually buy the service, right? You are actually providing the service yourself, right? So here, click on cleaning services. You are able to know a little bit about it. So since you are not going to keep inventory of this item, this side will not be dealt with in this particular instance, right? And then you will then use this as, so here you can, because it's actually a service, you don't need any product image for that. You actually wouldn't need any product image. So in case you are trying to create a sales order, and actually to create a sales order, you click on this search box and then you type in sales order, and then you select the sales order list. Let's assume you're going to create a sales order for a customer, and let's assume this customer, this is the name of the customer. Now if you want to create it, notice that you type in here cleaning services, right? And then you actually select a delivery date, maybe tomorrow. You can take, so for each of the service you're actually going to charge, for the whole service you're going to charge, let's say 200 for 1 day, right? 200 for 1 day, and then that will be the figure. So the total will be 200 cedis after the service has been rendered. Now if you decide that you're going to create a service that is subscription based, then that will be different. That will be different. Let's say that here. So the total value of this sales order is 200 Ghana cedis. So that's about it. So if you want to save and submit, you click here, save and submit, and then the sales order is actually created for this particular customer cleaning service, right? And then you can actually go the invoice, this particular sales order, click here, sales invoice, right? And then you save and you submit. All right. And then you actually create a payment against this particular transaction. Let's say the mode of payment will be cash, and then 200 cedis is being paid for. You actually save that, and then you submit that, and then you can actually create delivery of this particular service. So click delivery here, and then we take delivery of this service now. So you will notice that the order then will be, the order status will show completed. So this is basically how to create an item, a service product, and how to use that service product in creating sales orders for customers. So that's about it for this session. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section or send me an email, and then let's find a solution to it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.